Intro. The universe is full of mysteries, wonders, and facts that are beyond imagination. In today's video, we'll explore 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe that will completely change how you see everything around you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our amazing space videos. 1. The universe has no center. Many people imagine the universe expanding outward from one single point, but that's not true. Space itself is stretching in all directions equally, meaning there is no center. Every galaxy sees itself as the middle of expansion. Mind-blowing, right? 2. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Scientists estimate there are over 200 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. That's more than every grain of sand on every beach and desert combined. Just think, each one could have planets, moons, and maybe even life. 3. Space smells like burnt metal and gunpowder. Astronauts returning from space missions have reported that their suits smelled like hot metal, welding fumes, or gunpowder. That's because of the high-energy particles floating around in space that react with oxygen when they return to the spacecraft. 4. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus rotates so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to spin once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means one day on Venus is actually longer than its year. 5. There's a massive cloud in space made entirely of alcohol. Scientists discovered a huge gas cloud near the constellation Aquila that contains billions of liters of ethanol, the same alcohol found in beer and wine. If someone could harvest it, there would be enough to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. 6. Black holes don't suck, they trap. Contrary to popular belief, black holes don't suck things in like a vacuum cleaner. They simply have such strong gravity that once something crosses their event horizon, it can't escape. Not even light. 7. The largest known star could swallow our entire solar system. The star Scuti is so huge that if it replaced our Sun, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Saturn. It's over 1,700 times larger than the Sun in diameter. 8. There's a planet made entirely of diamonds. Yes, you heard that right. Astronomers discovered a planet called 55 Cancri, which appears to be made mostly of carbon and diamond. It's about 8 times the size of Earth, basically a giant space jewel. 9. The universe is still expanding and faster every second. Instead of slowing down, the universe's expansion is speeding up because of something called dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up about 70% of the universe. And no one knows exactly what it is. 10. The observable universe is only a tiny part of reality. Everything we can see with our telescopes may be just a tiny bubble in an even larger, infinite multiverse. That means there could be other universes out there with different physics, galaxies, or even versions of us. Outro. The universe is vast, mysterious, and endlessly fascinating. Which of these facts amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we're just getting started exploring the cosmos. Milky Way.